blood circulation in human body. The blood is circulated in the human body by regular contractions and relaxations of the heart. Let us understand the circulation of the blood. When blood passes through the capillaries of the lungs, then oxygen from air enters the blood. The blood is now oxygen-rich and is called oxygenated blood. The pulmonary vein brings the oxygenated blood from the lungs into the left atrium of the heart. When the left atrium contracts, the oxygenated blood is pushed into the left ventricle. When the left ventricle contracts, it pumps oxygenated blood into the main artery called the aorta. Branches into many arteries which supply oxygenated blood to all the organs of the body except lungs. When oxygenated blood from arteries passes through the capillaries of the body organs, then it gives food and oxygen to the body cells. At the same time, carbon dioxide produced as a waste product in the body cells during respiration enters the blood through capillaries. The deoxygenated blood, rich in carbon dioxide collected from the body organs, enters the right atrium. When the right atrium contracts, the deoxygenated blood is pushed into right ventricle. When the right ventricle contracts, the deoxygenated blood is pumped into the lungs through the pulmonary artery. In the lungs, deoxygenated blood gives out carbon dioxide and absorbs fresh oxygen from the air being breathed in. So, the blood becomes oxygenated again. Heartbeat. A doctor uses the stethoscope to listen to our heartbeats. The stethoscope amplifies, make louder, the sound of heartbeats so that the doctor can hear the heartbeats clearly. A stethoscope consists of 3 parts. A chest piece that carries a sensitive diaphragm at its bottom, 2 earpieces, a rubber tube which joins the chest piece to the earpiece. Activity 2. To show that the pulse rate is the same as the heart rate with the help of a stethoscope. Things needed: funnel, 50 cm long rubber tube, rubber sheet or balloon, rubber band, adhesive tape. Method: we take a small funnel of 6 to 7 cm in diameter. Fix a 50 cm long rubber tube tightly on the stem, narrow end of the funnel. Stretch a rubber sheet or a balloon on the mouth of the funnel and fix it tightly with a rubber band and adhesive tape. The stethoscope is ready for use. We put the open end of rubber tube in one of our ears and place the mouth of the funnel on our chest just above the heart. We now try to listen carefully to the sound. We will hear regular thumping sounds. These thumping sounds are the heartbeats. With the help of a watch, we count the number of heartbeats occurring in 1 minute. This gives us our heart rate. Conclusion: the pulse rate is the same as the heart rate. Excretion in humans. Large intestine. The undigested food is removed from the large intestine and thrown out of the body through the anus in the form of feces. Lungs. Carbon dioxide is produced as a waste product in our body cells during the process of respiration. This carbon dioxide is removed by the lungs during exhalation. Skin. Sweat glands under the skin. Sweat is a liquid waste secreted from the sweat glands below the skin. Sweating helps to remove excess water, some salts, urea as liquid waste, sweat from the body. Sweat gland, oil gland, hair, epidermis, pore, sweat duct, sweat gland. Excretory system in humans. Excretory system in humans consists of the following organs: 2 kidneys, 2 ureters, urinary bladder, urethra. Kidneys. Kidneys are situated at the level of the waist on either side of the vertebral column. Kidneys are brick red in color and bean-shaped in structure. Each kidney contains a large number of coiled tubes called nephrons. Nephrons act as filters. When the blood reaches the 2 kidneys, it contains both useful and harmful substances. The useful substances are absorbed back into the blood. The nephron as filter removes the harmful substances, urea, waste salts, from the blood. The waste products dissolved in water are removed from the kidney as yellowish liquid called urine. Kidney failure. Dialysis. The process of cleaning the blood of a person with kidney failure by separating the toxic waste products using a dialysis machine is called dialysis. Kidney transplant. The damaged kidney can also be replaced by another person's healthy kidney by a surgical procedure.